Welcome back to Stock Bros YouTube channel, and today we got the pump mounted up for the 12 valve. We're about to set timing for the pump. I'm going to be running 18 degrees with this pump, so I'm going to show you how to do that with the power driven diesel degree wheel. The engine's pin timed and flag's in there, so we are going to, this pump was set at 12.5 degrees and we want to go to 18 degrees, so we're just going to take the pin out of the engine and then retard it, and then we'll torque the nut and call our pizza. Here we go. So we're just going to disengage our timing pin from the camshaft, and all we're going to do, I have a little I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I got a little piece of wire pointing at the TDC 0. I don't know how else gonna be able to see it, but we're gonna have to go retard this thing 5.5 degrees from, because it's at 12.5, we need to go to 18, so we need to go retard it 5.5 degrees. So all we're gonna do is turn the engine counterclockwise, pins out, flag's still in it, so the pump shouldn't move, but the engine's gonna move backwards. So hopefully these bolts don't back off. But so that's 5 degrees. 5.5 right there. So we'll torque our nut and then we'll pull the flag out and then fully torque it, and hopefully nothing moves. So I'm using the power driven diesel's locking washer because the one I had was really flat, and since I'm going to be running a little more horsepower, I'd like to get don't want this thing to slip. So all I'm going to do is press the gear against the pump, put our washer on. So this is a 30 mil nut. All you're gonna do, get it hand tight, take a torque wrench, then you're gonna go 133 inch-pounds. That's basically to set the gear on, and then you're gonna pull your flag out so you don't break your flag when you torque it to the 144 foot-pounds. So there we go. You just grab your flag, pull it out. As you can see, flag's out. Now we're going to grab a big torque wrench and torque her up. So 144 foot-pounds, that's right off Cummins quick serve. Flag's out, pin time's out. And then still shows 18 degrees. So, as you saw there, our engine barred over. So all we're going to do is just bar it back to our 5.5 degrees. Fuck yeah. So our flag still goes in at 18 degrees, so we should be good. Okay, so we got the pump all done with timing and everything, and I put some of the linkage back on and everything. Not sure if this solenoid works, but we're just gonna put it on for now. That's why I haven't painted or anything. It kind of looks like shit, but I'm not actually sure if that works. So there's a used one. As you can see, I got the diesel conversion specialist, their alternator bracket put on. I did mock it up, but I still got to clean up the old alternator and the old starters because this starter is literally just caked in shit. But as you can see, we got our new adapter plate. It's a really nice piece from DCS. as well as the flex plate, and obviously like a new wiring harness and a bunch of other parts. But I had to scrape away a little bit of the paint so the starter will ground to the block through the adapter plate. And also you have to modify your block and just grind these 2 tabs down for the 6.4 or 6 liter starter to fit. So I just ground this down, and I'm gonna just put a quick coat of paint on just these corners in black probably. I got one engine mount on, and I got a Deviant Products, their -10 AN block drain, because I'm just gonna make a custom line to feed up to the turbo. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean up the starter and everything, and then I will start bolting all this stuff on.